Oh.
Meadow, blue,
English.
yellow, English, dirt, vine, root. It's not that hard.
Social,
Oh, it
pero
and Mr.
tutorial,
Palermo.
tutorial.
Okay?
Tony P.
The dog is wearing a collar. You can say little sentences like that,
Kevin.
but not too much.
Yeah, say little sentences.
You can do that. Because he does
Think.
say, think, Lucky.
Palmetto, blue, sky, dog
I'm in a theme.
wearing...
Look, there's a note in his pocket. Give him an A.
Yeah, and make sure his teacher gives him an A too, Mr. Palermo, because you're cool like that. Watch out for that! Now cut.
I like that. Like a party hat. I prefer this one also. Pretty nice.
Hello, Pozzo, or Lucky rather. Answer the phone call from my mother.
Waiting for Joe all day, he never came.
Yeah, I know. Sucks. No, we could always hang out.
Oh.